touch me like you need it. Like you need it. Yeah. I see the way you did look me. I should be the one that is teasing. I want shady beauty. Look at them one face.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and also turn on your notification button. So today's video is going to be another wig review. The wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is this wig right here. This is how the wig looks on the model. So I'm going to leave all the links of the hair in the info section, so if you're interested in purchasing this wig, you can go check it out. I'm going to try on the wig for you guys to see how it's gonna look like, and so yeah, let's get it started. Alright guys, so this is how the unit looks on me. I really do like this unit. This unit is amazingly beautiful. It's so soft, very silky, and it also has this kinky texture as well. That is one thing that I like about the Divatress bob cut. So this unit is a lace front unit, so you can create your own baby hairs. I really do like the color, and also I like how the padding space comes. It looks very natural. I only applied a little bit of my concealer on the padding space, and then I cut the lace. So I really do like that about the hair. The hair is very silky. It looks very natural. It looks like it's human blend. So if you're looking for a color that is vibrant, this color is not for you. With this color, you have to come close to me before you will see the color. I really do like the cut as well. The cut looks so beautiful. It's so gorgeous, guys. I wouldn't trade this hair for anything. So the style of this hair is Jody. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on your notification button. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.